Straight out of the box, you can see that this bumper is all about toughness. It's crafted from strong carbon steel with a textured black powder coat, giving it that rugged, off-road vibe. This bumper is all about off-road performance. Make sure to disconnect the lights and clips before taking out the stock bumper. Remove all the nuts, then carefully lift the bumper up to remove it. To set up the bull bar, grab a 15mm socket wrench and make sure to tighten all 6 washers and bolts securely. Connect the wires or wiring harness you bought separately to the bumper and use a tool to guide it to the battery or controller. Raise the bumper and position the welded bolts in place, getting it ready for the nuts to be added. Grab a socket wrench, preferably an 18mm one, to secure the 8 bolts on the bumper. Make sure they are tight and fully secured. Let's get those wires connected. Whether you're using a wiring harness or a controller like I did, remember red is for positive and black is for negative. Finally, the next thing to do is to connect the D-rings in the specified spot. You'll find 2 of them there.